Ito may madaim, bell pepper. Tapos meron siyang rice, dried cherry, prawns, dried din siya, at saka paprika, salt, black pepper, and tomato paste, and chicken powder. Masarap siya guys, yan. Lunch. Ulam na, may kanin na, 2 in 1. Diba? Yan, tapos ito ay meatballs. Meron siyang sweet potato, and then chicken, ground chicken, meron siyang paprika, black pepper, tomato paste, and salt. Yeah.